Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Fucking sad times. As you can see by the title on this video, I lost all my fucking video footage. Yeah, so it was we had that bike meet. Yeah, we had that bike meet. After that, I recorded, I got some footage. I literally went home, I looked over it, I'm like, yeah, it's fucking good footage. We went for a ride down to some other places with my couple of mates. I woke up this morning, I was like, fuck, not much to do, let's edit these videos. Went on, I put my SD drive in, and I had to format it, which means it was corrupted. And it wanted me to wipe the whole SD to let me be able to use the SD card again. So instead of doing that, my smart ass went and fucking snapped it. I was so pissed. I had really good video footage of that as well. So I had to do it before I left as well, because yeah, it was still fucked up. No, it won't filter. I don't know about that. Can't see. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that's really what happened. So I literally searched up so many methods to try to see if I could uncorrupt my footage, or even save it from that disc to put it into a different one without opening the files or whatever. Nothing. I couldn't get anything to work. At that point, the drive was like fully corrupted, so it wouldn't even just like load in. To be honest, but yeah, what can I do? I guess it's a car meet next week, so I'm literally gonna go out and buy a new SD card for it, so that way it fucking doesn't happen again. I'm gonna get it suited to my actual GoPro, so that way whatever I have, like whatever footage I get, I don't just lose it like I fucking did. But yeah, once I get that, I'm sure I'll get that before next week, so I'll get that there, and then yeah, fuck, so pissed, yeah, because I had like another couple of videos ready to upload, and it was downloaded onto the SD card. But not ready to upload, but ready to edit, so I can upload. But well, yeah, fucking lost it all. I was super pissed off. I didn't even think to me to fucking return the SD card or anything. I just fucking snapped it. I was just, yeah, I was that pissed off. What a nice cameras. Damn, I need to get some good pictures, eh? Oh shit, I don't know if there's much more I want to do to this bike, to be honest. Like, obviously I'm going to keep it until I get my fulls, but like, you know, I want to keep it until I get my fulls, but then again, I want to get something newer. But it's already a 500. Like, I've ridden the 650 CBR, and let me turn my music down. Yeah, I've ridden the 650 CBR, and it's look, don't get me wrong, 650, you know, it's got that raised type of exhaust to it. Sounds killer, I like it. But what is the point of me literally going from a 500? I know it's an extra 150cc, but it's a 4-stroke. Like, obviously it's gonna make a difference, but it's not gonna make a crazy, you know, crazy amount of difference. So yeah, I don't know if there's much more I want to do, but yeah, crowd I want to go? Where am I going? The cloud. Oh no, that's turning that way. Nah, I can't be bothered. I ain't gone for that long for a ride. That's nice. So yeah, while I was at the lights, the car behind me is literally the car I want for 100 my P's. It's a fucking, it's just, I'm pretty sure it's a 370Z. I'm pretty sure that was. That is fucking nice. It's a cool car, bro. No. I want it to get in front of me so I can get that footage. They're nice. Oh, that's cool. That ain't a GTR. I'm fucking tripping out. That is cool. I bet you that would spit flames. That is fucking nice. That is super clean. Ferrari. But no, that was a 370Z. I'm 90% sure now. Yeah, 90% sure it was a 370Z, and it's literally the first. It's the car one for my first car, but they're like 25 grand, 30 grand. So unless I fucking skyrocket in YouTube and make somehow that money, yeah, it's gonna be fucking. But like, just it's so nice. Oh. I think I'm in third gear. I don't actually. Yeah, I'm in. That's no better. Oh well. Wow, what a nice day. Where do you reckon I'm gonna be able to get good pictures? I reckon if I go along the coast, I might get something. I reckon I could have gone that way for the coast. Oh shit, it's gonna stink like shit. Not too many beds out. Ooh, there's a couple, a few. Oh, what's my good side? My right side is fuck. I'll get to. I'll just turn it around. Oh fuck, that's tough. I know, tough times. Next week I'll have that good footage out if I don't upload another video within there. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care.